Are you struggling to shed those extra pounds? Are you tired of fad diets that never seem to work? Well, today we have some amazing news for you. We've done the research and found the ultimate secret to effortless weight loss. And you won't believe what's on the list. Discover the 10 most surprising foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Let's dive in. Many people think of strict diets and intense workouts when it comes to weight loss. But did you know that certain foods can aid in shedding those extra pounds? Here are the top 10 foods that are not only delicious but also great for weight loss. Avocado. Yes, you heard it right. Avocado is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats that can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and low in sugar, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for a healthy and filling snack, helping curb midday cravings. Quinoa. This whole grain is high in fiber and protein, making it a great alternative to rice or pasta. It keeps you full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and low in calories. They make for a sweet and satisfying treat that can help you resist sugary desserts. Salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and boost metabolism, making it a great addition to any weight loss diet. Spinach. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green that can help you feel full and satisfied without adding many calories. Eggs. Eggs are packed with protein and healthy fats, making them a great option for breakfast. They keep you full and provide essential nutrients to support weight loss. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. They also absorb liquid and expand in your stomach, helping you eat less. Green tea. Known for its metabolism-boosting properties, green tea is a great beverage choice for weight loss. It can help increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Almonds. Nuts, in general, are a healthy snack, but almonds are particularly beneficial for weight loss. They are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, helping you stay full for longer. And there you have it, the 10 most surprising foods for effortless weight loss. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these foods into your meals and watch the pounds melt away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing weight loss tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.